going back. Eastbound on Cherry. Just notify any county and state police for their assistance, please.
Copy. Would you advise your speed?
We're just trying to keep a line of sight right now. They're probably doing an exit. The last scene turns south on Rains towards Middleton. We're shut down to the area. What was that, 28? Boy, David William, 49 Adam. Right there, turning east on Middleton, right there. Guys, be advised safely in the now primary. You're not interested with them. 14.
Jonesboro Evelyn Flea, I was just around the corner. I'm catching up to it. Where he's going out of 10. Turn south on Elmwood.
$1037.
1037 with it. They're coming straight at me right now. They just rolled over, started 1016, multiple rollovers.
1020.
Nelson Elmwood. Hands on your back. Hands on your back. Don't move. Hands on your back. Foot bail, tapered forward, 1015. That's pretty stupid, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Roll up. Cross your legs. I got your light. One foot in. Put one foot on the motor. Look up. Hey, Butler! Kill my siren! Hey. I don't know if it got out. He foot bailed after he rolled over. I deployed my taser with 1015.
10-4, are you good?
I'm 10-4. When he ran around me, he was going through a yard. When he hit the roadway, he rolled over.
10-4, so no injuries.
This is my sister's car.
I don't believe so. He foot bailed. Is it?
Yeah, Kristen Higgins.
Okay. He was the only one in it.
He's the only one?
Yeah, he's the only one.
There's a gun holster and...
Well, he didn't ditch anything. So.
Should have pat him down.
Right here. He got right by that Jeep and I tased him. Well, no, I had eyes on him the whole time.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, he never threw anything. Yes, sir.